What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today I have something very exciting to share with you guys. I never thought that I would have this shoe in my collection, and this shoe that I have right here is probably my best and favorite sneaker in my whole collection. Quick little story. I actually saw these on Soul Steals, and if you don't know what Soul Steals is pretty much a membership website run by a Soul Supremacy, which is a sneaker store out in the Bay Area, and you need to pay every month to be subscribed to enter into the website and buy some stuff. And like shoes, they have Supreme, Bape, Nike, Yeezys, they have a lot of stuff. And it's called Soul Steals for a reason, because it's steals, like the prices are right and everything. I've been a member for quite a while now, and I just love the website. And when I first saw these shoes, they were a size 9.5, and I was just thinking about pulling the trigger because the price was just perfect. But then like it was a size 9.5, and Jordans I usually wear 8.5 or a 9, but these were a 9.5. But knowing that this shoe is like rare, I guess you guys can say, I was thinking about just pulling the trigger. I don't care if it was a size 9.5, but then when I was going to buy these, they actually went out of stock. A week later they put it back, but in my size, which was a size 9, and I was just like, I'm getting them. Price was right, it was my shoe size, and I just had to pull the trigger. Thing is that it didn't come with the box, so I mean, like, I'm not wearing the box, I'm wearing the shoes, so I didn't really care about that. And it finally came, and I've seen this shoe behind glass. Like, this is a shoe that you would typically go to a sneaker shop or whatever, and they would have this shoe behind a glass case. And I've only seen them a couple of times, but I've never held a pair before or anything. So enough talking, let me show you guys these beauties. Are you guys ready for this? Bam! We have the Jordan 4 Cause in that black colorway. What? Like, I have this shoe in my collection. Just looking at these, they are so beautiful. Look at this shoe right here, the Jordan 4 Cause. Oh, look at that back. So like I said, shout out to Soul Steals. I don't know if you guys will ever watch this video, but shout out to you guys for this steal right here. Like I said, these didn't come in the box, the OG box. It was like a Jordan 4 special box. It had like the X's on it, and Cause like hands on it, and also came with a dust bag, but I didn't get a dust bag. But like I said, I'm wearing the shoes, not the box. Like I said, I got it for a steal. I didn't pay no ridiculous price, and it's in my size. Man, this shoe right here is just so beautiful. On the suede, there's actually the Cause handprints stitched in there. You can kind of see it. It's black on black, so right there, that's supposed to be like the hands, and it's like stitched in there, which is a good touch because then it won't come off or anything. And obviously this doesn't have a netting, instead it has this kind of like rug type material, as you can see right there. This is where usually you would have that netting. Same thing on the inside, you have this like kind of like this rug type material, and on the back you get the 2X Cause and then the air. And man, this shoe is just beautiful. And then to top it off, the bottom, you have this clear bottom which actually glows in the dark, and you can see it has those Jordan 4 Cause hands. And then your midsole on right here where the bubble's at, it's kind of like that low suede material as well. Honestly, if I have to choose between the black ones and the gray ones that the first came out, I would have to choose the black one. The gray one is cool and all, but I don't know, just something about this black Jordan 4 with that clear outsole that just gets me. It just looks beautiful. Look at that. Oh my god. On the right shoe, it actually says Air Jordan inside the tongue. If it can focus. Air Jordan right there backwards. And then on the left shoe, it actually says Cause. If it can focus. Yeah, there you go. Cause. And then the guts inside, it's kind of like this nice soft leather. Just like the material Jordan brand used on this shoe, they executed it well. On the inside, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has a Jumpman and X Cause inside there. There we go. Jumpman times Cause right there, and the size 9 sticker in there. And as you guys can see, the guts inside is like this nice soft leather. And just look at this shoe right here. Just like the Jordan 4 model Cause Jordan brand, you guys killed it. A little 360. Bro, look at that shoe right there. You can't tell me this shoe looks beautiful. And it does come with like these wax, semi-wax laces. And like I said, this is a pair of shoes that I never thought I would ever have, just because resale price on this shoe is crazy. But you know, shout out to Soul Steels for that steal, and I just had to do it. It's just beautiful. That's all I gotta say. This is beautiful. And at first, those great pairs came out first, and then I believe it was Drake that kind of teased us with this. And in the beginning, it was friends and family, but then they ended up releasing. And like I said, Jordan 4 is my favorite model. I've been picking up a lot of Jordan 4s lately, and the white cement 4 is my favorite Jordan shoe, hands down. Also picked up the Travis Scott 4s. I don't know if I made a video on these, but yeah, I have them. And also I recently picked up the Jordan 4 Levi's, the black colorway. White colorway is cool, but you know, I'm not a big fan of white shoes, so I had to get the black one. Gum bottom, beautiful. And now adding these bad boys to the Jordan 4 collection and my whole sneaker collection. But yeah guys, that is going to be it. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new for more videos like this in the future, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.